Here's a quick update on the 4Runner 2. You can see we got the fender flares wrapped white. They're almost like a satin pearl white. There wasn't exactly something that matched perfectly, but I think it looks way better than the old silver. And just like every other 4Runner I see on the road, we're missing this flare here. So I'm going to show you how we're going to fix that. So you can see we got the extra flare here. We just bought this used. It's green, but I had our guy wrap it white. And it comes with this on the back. We're going to need to do some repair work here on these tabs. But I got these carriage bolts. We're going to shave the heads off so that they slide in here nicely. Okay, so here's the final shape. Got the head flattened, trimmed off the square, and now it's going to go right in here. And that is some JB Weld. I'm going to fill in that little pocket there too. Hopefully be good to go. Okay, you can see we got the two cemented in there. Should be good to go. Now this one looks a little weird. So this one only attaches from the back, and I'm using the cardboard almost as like a removable fastener. So once it dries, I can pull the cardboard off and hopefully leave the JB Weld behind. So I'll use these three mounting points, and then when I get the fender in place, I'll use a self-tapper here to connect it to the other fender flare. But that should be good to go for now. Fixed a couple of cracks, you can see there, and I think on the back side there. And hopefully that'll keep it mounted to the side. It's just totally caked up, so a couple of hours to clean it down. Okay, so it's the next day, and let me tell you, this set up like rocks. JB Weld is the best. It's absolutely solid. Let's get this one off. Start one-handed, hold on. You can see perfectly flat and even. So now let's go see what this looks like on the truck. So it looks like whoever previously owned this had some holes drilled, because I was about to drill these, but just need to make them a little bigger, and I think these three holes are going to work perfect. You can see the fasteners we got on here, so just some washers and some lock nuts. So I just did the lower three and then a self-tapper at the top. And this is the final product. So it doesn't match 100%, but it looks so much better than the silver. I think next she wants to get some retro flares, or sorry, retro decals going down the side. And the same guy that we had wrapped the fenders, we'll probably have him put the decals on, and then this thing will be all done, looking good. Overall, everything's been holding up great, no real issues. Definitely needs a wash here, but it's white, you can't really tell how dirty it is. But yeah, just a short one today, so like, comment, subscribe, let me know what we should do next.